My name's Garrett. I work for Brough Construction. I am the general superintendent of the company, and I've been working here for coming on 5 years. General engineering contractor, we do a wide range of projects from underground utilities, grading, concrete, paving, pretty much just a wide spread of everything. We have Topcon on every piece of equipment that's on this job site, and we have a few others and more coming. The technology is definitely helping us. It's allowing the operator to see where he's at in the job, where he is, whether we have cuts, fills. There's different sections throughout this job too, where, we have 24 inches of base and concrete going in here versus grass. We're able to see those sections and dictate where we need to put dirt, take dirt. Definitely makes things way more efficient. You don't have a guy running around or trying to look at grade stakes, look at plans. They can just look right there at the screen and tell you what you're doing. So this 850L is new to us. We've had it for a few months now. This being new to us has made us moving dirt and being a lot more efficient, and this 850L has been very good. It's very powerful, good machine. It's well suited for what we need. We have a really good relationship with the sales, with the service and parts. As far as them helping us be efficient, it's really nice when I can call certain individuals and in a drop of a hat, they make it happen. I mean, whether it's getting parts, it's getting a machine worked on, serviced, or even rented equipment. And pretty much, I make a phone call and they make it happen within a few hours, if not the next day.